take the whole thing. Look at this.
I don't care. Too bad. I'm not in the rat restricted area, I swear.
Now I'm in restricted area. I'm trespassing.
Ooh, Geronimo's trespassing.
Oh, those legs are kind of stubby.
Yeah, those are some very realistic people if you tell me. Here we can see the ride area and some theming elements. I was actually surprised to see this. There's actually some theming elements around the ride. See some banners around the area, a lot of lighting. And you have 2 train operations going on. You have the control panel, exit signs, and yeah, the area is a bit more exposed than it was. Don't look like they're about to dispatch a train yet, but you have the person in the control panel just chilling in there, so looks like we'll see more testing later on.